Hi guys, I'm back with another video. This is an unboxing video. Don't get too excited. This is just a brand new version of a bag that I've had for a few years. I bought this previous bag used on eBay September of 2016. It was in the stores at the time. It was new for the fall that year, and I was lucky to find one on eBay that had just a little bit of damage, so I got a really good discount on it. And I used it a ton over the last couple years. It held up, but you know, with regular use, you can't help but have a worn look to it and have some color fading and things like that. It got to the point where it kind of lost its luster for me. So I went on a search to see if I could still find it and if I could find it brand new but at a discount. I was able to find it at Harrods for significantly less than if I bought it at the store here in the States. It's a Saint Laurent bag. Specifically, it's my gray medium college bag. So I was able to find it brand new. The color is from a couple seasons ago, so it's very hard to find it brand new. My Saint Laurent here in Boston does have one, but it's full price. For some reason, ordering from Harrods overseas, I was able to save a significant amount of money. So I actually sold mine. I shipped it out this morning to its new home, and I'm just using the funds from that to pay for this. So I've never bought anything from Harrods. This is how it came. Shipping was super fast. I ordered it on Saturday and I got it today on Wednesday. And oh, there's just a little card. But yeah, I don't think I paid customs. Or if I did, it was included in the price and it was still significantly less. So I'm okay with that. But, oh, so it doesn't come with a box. But honestly, that's fine by me. I can always get a box on eBay. So when you open it up, it's packaged really well, but this is it. It came just like this. So, here's the bag. They still have it in store. I don't know if it's the same leather. We'll find out. I assume it is. But it is my gray Saint Laurent college bag. And yeah, it looks like it's the same. Like I said, my last one, I just used it so much. It had significant damage on it, and the shape, it was losing its shape. So I just wanted to replace it with a newer version. So this is how it came. Let's see here. Saint Laurent Paris. Yeah, I mean, it looks the same. The leather feels a little bit softer to the touch. My last one had like a glossy patina over it, which I do believe happens with use. So let me check her out. Yeah, I mean, this is the same bag. And like I said, I just upgraded and got a newer version of it. It doesn't really smell like leather. It actually doesn't smell like anything. It has a faint leather smell. So there's some packaging in there. Here is the strap. I don't know if this bag if there's anything different about it than the version that I had. It's from all aspects, it looked like it was exactly the same bag. And so far it does seem like it is. Yeah. So let me check out the strap here. I've done that in the past with bags when I loved something so much, but I used it so much that the wear was bothering me. I've searched online and upgraded and got the exact same bag, like sold the old one to fund the new one. So I have a history of doing that. Yeah, so this looks good. Too bad I shipped mine out this morning. I'm starting to think that maybe I should have waited so that I could have compared the two, but I mean, it's the same bag. So it has like the little handle here. I'm going to keep this, so I'm just going to take this part off. I love this little handle. It's just so cute to carry it like this. I have been known, well, not with my wrist. I have been known to carry it like this. So here is the detachable strap, and it's the perfect crossbody length for me. Again, I'm 5'3", about 120. And so it's like this. And then I also like just wearing it long ways, even though it's a little bit long for me because I'm short. Yeah, so this is an upgrade of my last one. Exact same bag. Feels softer. But like I said, the last one had a sheen to it, like a gloss over it, like patina after a few years of use. So I believe this is the medium collage bag in gray with the ruthenium hardware, like the aged silver. I am noticing that this logo is antiqued, but it's not as antiqued as the chain, I feel like. I don't remember if my last one was like that or not. But it has a back pocket where I always put my phone in. So where the wear was, first of all, you can already see this curving right here. My last one curved so much that the front sides caved in. And it came with chipping and damage along this edge. I bought it like that. That's how I was able to get a significant discount on it. But the wear with use, where I noticed it the most, is along this back pocket here, along this seam. In particular, I think it was this section here, was like worn and discolored. And along this edge, from when you're carrying the bag, you know, it's going to rub up on things over time. So, yeah, so I also had some random discolorings. I don't know how the heck that happened, because before I had my display cases, I kept them in their dust bags, and now they're in glass cases with no lights shining on them. So I don't know how that happened, but that's okay. Yeah, but this is the bag, and I love it. It's one of my favorites. And I'm just happy to have a flawless version of it now. So if anyone would like a more in-depth review, I think I might have one a couple years ago on my channel, but I'm not quite sure if it's a review or if it was just a reveal. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon.